how to hide text messages on iPhone. So there's two ways that you can pull this off, right? What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna just go ahead to my settings, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find the iMessage or the messages. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into the notifications and just toggle it off. And by toggling it off, by toggle this one off, by toggling it off, that means that you will not receive any messages that might be exposed to someone else's eyes, right? So basically just turn off the notification. The second way is you could just go back to your screen, go ahead and just start looking for your messages. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and enter and just hold the message that you want to delete, click more, and basically what you're gonna do, just move forward to trash, right? And the same goes for all messages, and basically you'll be able to delete that message and all that, right? So hold, click more, and just click the trash can at the below left corner, just delete it. Basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.